there's an emotion behind cooking that really is kind of reminiscent almost like your first kiss. Like everything that you do, there's an emotion behind it. So it's either it was really good or it was really bad.
I get my inspirations from watching other chefs. I mean, not in the TV shows.
I mean, it's very, very different. Sometimes it's only an idea that came from someone, and this idea or this concept, I just try to traduce it in a dessert. So the less precise for me is always more interesting and more challenging. So.
I continue to be pushed forward, especially joining the academy. You get to meet people from all around the world and see how different it is and how different they cook. And yeah, it's all the same, but it just inspires you to do things different and want to keep traveling, keep learning, keep cooking.
I take my inspiration from my daily work, also from my love to my job, and from the team spirit to create with my colleagues, from the culinary network of the LSG to gather a good product for our customer.